Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. This is part 2 of Banargata Zoo. If you guys haven't watched the part 1, please do go ahead and watch it. It is too good, too amazing. Definitely you should not miss it. It is a lot of information that I've given from the ticketing, from the food, everything I've covered up in that. And this vlog will be all about Butterfly Park and also Safari. And after we are done with the zoo, we had visited a beautiful restaurant. And if you guys see that restaurant, you will be mesmerized for sure, as you will get mesmerized seeing at this beautiful butterfly park. I mean, the walk itself towards this main entrance, this towards this butterfly entrance, was so good. It was so cool. The trees are so huge, they literally cover up the above sky, and it is so calm, it is so composed, it is like so beautifully done and taken care. And so many birds, so many monkeys we saw. It was like really amazing. And as you guys can see, this entrance itself, the orange yellow butterfly, it's like so cute, it's so creative and so pretty, truly amazing. It was like really nice. We thoroughly enjoyed it, and really it was an amazing experience. And I'm so glad and so happy that I did book for this butterfly park. I mean, last time when I visited alone, with my husband, we never opted for this place for visiting. We thought it's just a butterfly, but no, this time I decided that no, actually I have to take geranium. And yes, I did a very good decision. It was the best taking geranium. And also the best part about this place is that you don't have to carry your child or make them walk and all. Actually, they can sit in the stroller and you can take them around. I mean, it's so good, right? I mean, they can just sit in the stroller and they can enjoy, because making your kids walk a lot also will drain them. It will strain them in the night, their legs will start hurting. So yes, taking them in a stroller is the best thing. And just look at him, he was enjoying. He was like I don't know, I mean, how to express this, but he was really stunned by this particular place. And we see this small bridge, and when you see underneath, there are like so beautiful fishes, like so huge, so like they're so nice. But yes guys, I would suggest that please don't feed anything to the animals or the fishes. I mean, it's definitely not right, because they are already been taken care by the people who are there, and they have been feeded well. So please don't feed them anything that is inappropriate. I mean, yes, just visit and just enjoy it. That's what I would say. And there were so many butterflies. Actually, even when Jaden was sitting in the stroller, he was able to view the butterfly. He was actually trying to touch them, and it was like really beautiful. So yes, it is too good actually to visit this place. Don't miss it out, guys. This is amazing place, and you can go with your family, friends, and your kids. Definitely, your kids will learn a lot of things here, because post this, actually, when we went to the exit over there is a different section where they have kept in detail description about butterflies, how they have been formed and what actually happens, and everything was there. And of course, they also had this segment where they had kept the bugs as well, where we saw a lot of different kind of bugs. So yes, stay connected so that you guys will actually be able to see them. And yes, we did take a lot of time. We spent a lot of time over here in this butterfly sector, because it was very cool and it was very nice seeing this butterflies. So even my son, he actually loved it and he wanted to stay back here for long and enjoy it. So we ensure that he enjoys it and he has a good time. So yes, when you go out with the kids, stay calm, stay composed, and go smooth and slow. Because yes, definitely, if you hurry and you rush, it will not just impact you, but also your kids. So let them enjoy this nature, because staying in the city, it is not always possible for your kids to enjoy this nature. So yes, when you go out such kind of places, it's best that you and let them enjoy and let them explore. But yes, let them not harm anything. Here, if you guys can see, I did not let him touch the butterflies, because definitely it's not right, he should not touch it. I told him you're not supposed to touch, but he was just trying to imitate like he's gonna touch it. but yes, he did not touch any of the butterflies because we should not actually. So yes guys, he enjoyed it to the core. Butterfly park was the best I felt in this zoo, and it was really good. Then, as I told you guys, when you take an exit, you will see this beautiful big fish aquarium. There were a lot of fishes and all. There were tiny tiny crabs and shrimps and all. So it was really good, and it looked so beautiful with all this tree and all. It was done so good. This fish tank was amazing. Then we saw this different kind of butterfly species and all, and we also saw moth and all, like which looks like butterfly but they are not butterfly. So yes, there were a lot of information that was being provided, and it was really good and really amazing. Then we moved to a sector where we saw scorpions, and it was really fascinating. We did show Jaden, and he was also surprised because it's the first time that he's actually seeing it, but since they were not moving, he kind of did not understand. And then we saw this butterfly cocoon, and also we saw different kind of bugs. That was grasshopper was there. Then we saw ants actually, and we saw millipede and all. So yes, it seeing all of this, Jaden was definitely surprised and curious. But yes, things that that were not moving, he did not really understand what it is because he's still in a stage of learning. So yes, apart from that, he definitely enjoyed, and we saw spider as well. Yes, so yes, it was really amazing, guys, to see all of this. And then yes, we it was a time for a safari. We took the bus. We came back from the park, and we took the bus, and we went ahead. But not much of it that we were able to capture because yes, animals were there, but the only concern happened over here is that due to the incident that had occurred recently, actually once you enter in the cat zone, you have to close the windows. So closing the windows, it was not at all possible to capture video and all. And also it was a lot of trouble actually traveling in the closed non-AC bus. So yes, guys, to prevent that, I would say it's best that you go in AC. If you have kids and babies and all, it's best that you go in AC, because keeping the windows also, it's not safe when you enter in the cat zone where you see this leopard, lion, and tiger and all. So that's the reason why. But yes, as you guys can see, we did see a lot of animals here. They were like so beautiful, deers and all. Elephants, I mean, elephants were the best. And also we encountered a beautiful bear which was so close. It was really like next to the bus that we were sitting, and it was next to the sitting area where we were. And also look at this cute baby elephant. It was so amazing to see this baby elephant. Jedu, he loved it. He was like staring at them constantly, and it was like amazing. So I will say that, it's always best to sit in the left side. Left side, I see that, when earlier when I had visited left side, I saw there was a lot of animals that you will actually encounter. Yes, you will definitely see in the right side as well, but left side, I've seen that there are a lot of animals that we actually encounter. Even now also, when we sat in the left side, we encountered a lot of animals. And even here, as I told you guys, the bear was so close. And this bear actually, it was so close, it was so cute to see this. And then we definitely saw different animals also, that was like lion, tiger, leopard and all. We encountered many of them, but as I told that the windows were shut down, so we cannot like literally zoom and take any video properly. So we decided it's of no point of taking videos because it was completely getting blurred. We then left the zoo around 5:30, and I remember that after, on the way itself, like from the zoo, it was like 15 minutes. On the way back home, we saw actually this huge aeroplane, and we were really fascinated by seeing this, and definitely wanted Jaden to visit this place. And we got to know it's actually a restaurant. And then we went and we spent some good time. So before going to the restaurant, we decided let Jedu play some time, and he was so active, was super active, because definitely It's important that you don't let your child get drained. You need to ensure that they are actually consuming enough of water, and also you can carry beverages like, fresh fruit juice and all. You can take it along. And definitely it's important to give them snacks and all in between, so they stay healthy and they stay good actually. And you have to actually spend $100 per person to get into this restaurant. And it's beautiful. This restaurant's actually good. You will get all kind of food. There are a lot of varieties. You can go with proper meal like a lunch, dinner, or you can also opt for snacks as well. So it was an amazing and definitely a different kind of a vibe, and Jedu definitely loved it. So that's how beautiful our day was. Please don't forget to subscribe to watch more of these videos. Thank you.